If YouTube has generated captions automatically for your video and you want to remove them, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube Studio and choose the video from which you want to delete the captions. Here, you can see Languages. Click on it. If you want to update your manual subtitles, you need to go to Edit Subtitles. Now, to delete subtitles, click on this pencil icon. You will see the automatic subtitles. Here, we can delete these automatic subtitles. Boom! The automatic subtitles have been successfully deleted. If this video helped you, show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also, leave your comments below. We love to hear from you. Bye for now. Until next time.